Hello, I'm James from Countryside Contracts, and here we are in my own garden, standing before these awesome woven panels, of course produced by Jackson's. So we were, probably like many of you, using our local fencing merchants, which was absolutely fine, until the quality of the products completely tanked. Now we had had dealings with Jackson's in the past, and it wasn't until we started using them a little more, our account rep invited us onto their improved installer scheme. All I can say is that we haven't looked back. From wanting to deliver super service to all of our customers, and now being armed with a knockout product, to achieve this was an absolute breath of fresh air. Richard and I as directors, we're not directly salespeople, but we absolutely love and strive for quality. So to be able to visit a customer with the best products in the country, knowing that you can deliver the product on literally every level, does fill you with confidence. And ultimately, if you're confident, then the customer will invest in you. Another key element is knowing that Jackson's manufacture a wide range of products. This offers the consumer choice and flexibility to ultimately achieve their desired end result. Using all these high-end products, combined with your excellent service, is what should be setting you above the competition. This is then, of course, backed up by the Jackson's brand name and the credible guarantees that they offer. What more could you want? They really should be a one-stop shop for all things fencing, timber, outdoor living. Thank you very much for listening.